What's up guys, I am Brad and this is the unboxing of Rode Videomicro. So for those who don't know what Rode is, it's a microphone company that basically targets all the DSLR customers, and it is one of the best what it does for the DSLRs. So let's get into the box. This is the cheapest version of the Rode microphones. I would not say it's that cheap, but it's the budget version. So let's get into it. Okay, so we are into the box now. Okay. Oh. So that was a mess. This is the quick start guide, and actually you get a 2 years warranty. So that's one big point of buying it. So this is the mic, and this comes out like this. Subscribe to the channel, like if you like the video, and stay tuned for more and the review of this.